Hello, scholars. My name is Miss Rebecca, and I welcome you to today's English class, where I'll be teaching you confusing words rhyming, and we'll be talking basically about where and where. Have fun and enjoy yourself. There are some English words that have the same sound but different spellings and meanings. Such words are referred to as homophones, and examples are where and where. So, the rhyming words or the homophones that I'll be talking about in today's class are where and where. Oftentimes, people confuse these two words. Let's look at the difference. Meet the word where, where. Where is used to ask about a place or location. Look at your screen. You will see a little boy with torch trying to find where something is. He is looking for a missing object. He wants to know the whereabouts of the object. So, the word where is used to ask information about place or location of somebody or something. Examples we have: where is my book? Where is the house? Where is the tree? Note that the spelling of where is Where. Meet also the word where, where. Where is the past tense of are? We use it to talk about things that happened before. Note, it is often used with plural nouns or plural pronouns. Where is the past tense of are, are. For instance, the past tense of is was. The same thing is applicable to where as it is the past tense of the word are. Don't forget, it is a helping verb. Examples we have: we were at school yesterday. They were happy. You can say they were happy when they saw their mother. You were my friend in primary school. You can see from all the sentences given, the word were is used to indicate an event that happened before, that happened in the past. Yeah, today's class is a very brief one, but before we call it a day, you have a little exercise to do. Fill in the blanks with where or where. You have to fill in the gaps with the most appropriate word between where and where. Question one is: dash is your bag. We dash in class yesterday. Dash do they live? They dash happy. Okay, now we can look at the answers together. Sentence number one: where is your bag? So the correct word is where and not where. We were in class yesterday, not we were in class. The correct word is not WHERE, but WERE. And the third one is where do you live? The last one, they were happy. It's been an amazing time with you guys. I can't wait to see you again next time. Enjoy yourself till we meet again. Bye.